Hello and welcome to another Ella Wave analysis. So today I want to talk about the dollar yen, right? So for the dollar yen, what we have seen, right, and what everyone is concerned about is actually the breakout from these 151, right, that happened on around April. Okay, so how does Ella Wave look at this, right? I would do a different approach in the sense that I will do um, the zoom in version first, and then I will um, zoom out for this, and we look at the bigger picture. Okay, so from January, 16 January, we see this move up. So it looks like a very nice zigzag over here. So one, two, three, four, five. So this will be the first wave, right? One, two, and then I'm expecting this breakout as a tree. So this will be another wave. So this one, two, three, four, and we are going to the 5 year fifth wave. So this will be the third wave, right? So over here, if we analyze this wave itself using the Fibonacci extension, uh, we can see that wave three is already more than the wave one, and over here the RSI also peaks over here. Okay, so wave four should already be completed, and because it hits this line, which is the breakout line and has become a support line, right? So I do expect that the dollar yen will move up to at least 162.57 around here. Okay, so this is just the short term outlook for dollar yen. Okay, but what is really happening to dollar yen, right, is actually a lot more concerning. So over here, if you see from this is more than around 13 years ago, right? From October 2011, right? We have this first wave. Let me remove this proprietary indicator first, right? One, two, three, four, five. So this will be the first wave. Let me put in that one, and over here, let me move this two, right? So this is a very long correction, right? From here is 2015, June 2015, all the way to 2020. So five and a half years of correction where dollar yen really is doing nothing, right? Then from 2021 it start to move up. So one, two, and next question is whether is this a three and then a four, right? Uh, in alert wave we can say that this is for now lah, a more conservative approach is that I will put in a tree, okay, instead of a first wave of a tree. Okay, I will just put in a tree first until I've seen further evidence that this is actually a sub wave of a tree, right? One reason it could be a sub wave is if you look at this Fibonacci extension, and I put it here, you see that there's a slight miss of wave one and three, right? So slight miss, right? So this in itself is not that big of a concern, okay? But it doesn't really change the outlook over here, which is that dollar yen will still go up. Okay, let me remove this. So understanding this wave itself, right? Then we look at the really bigger picture, which is a lot more concerning for dollar yen. We need to look at the weekly, right? If you see this, right, just now when we zoom in, it looks like, oh, dollar yen has moved very, very high. But once we use the weekly chart, we realize that this picture, let me remove this Fibonacci first. Then becomes a lot more room to move, right, from here. Right, if you look at this historically, over here, there is really no, from around 16, this is around 161 and above, there's really no resistance, right? This is like a sharp knife moving down, and this is what, 40 years already, right? But over here there is really nothing that blocks it. And if I really have to draw something, uh let's see, right? So some people may be familiar with this. Let's see, right? You may be concerned whether this is a cup, and then there's this handle here, right? This small little handle. Okay, so for dollar yen, right? Uh, I would say that the bigger risk is really for it to really move very very high up. So, but this is a super long term kind of view, that even more than 200. Yeah. So be very careful with this. So yeah. So if you are a corporation or someone who holds for very long, you can actually choose to short the yen. That means that you long the dollar yen, right? Yeah. So this is the analysis for today. Thank you.